This is my Audi's drive shaft, and I'm about to cut it in half. My drive shaft is broken. Well, I think it's broken. I mean, I drove it here, so it's not completely broken.
Oh my.
But it's breaking. Look, I'll show you what I mean. So I think what that is the center support bearing.
Which is basically a rubber mount that holds the center of the drive shaft in place and stops it from whipping around.
But I'm still not 100% sure that that's what I'm hearing. But I have a plan of how I'm gonna figure it out for sure. So I am going to attempt to mount a GoPro and a light under the car and point it at the drive shaft to find out if that is what is doing all the rumbling. But I'm gonna jack it up and see what I can see under there. That rubber is supposed to be around the drive shaft. You shouldn't be able to move a drive shaft like that.
So I went ahead with setting up the GoPro and the light, but the setup that I had may end up costing me later.
A few inches. It's not gonna be the end of the world, I don't think. I'm thinking I can get this GoPro mounted right here on this bar and point it that way. Obviously, it's that fucked up drive shaft. Why don't you just replace it and not go through the trouble of trying to put cameras? And yeah, I probably could just go rent a lift. And guess what? I bet you haven't seen somebody put GoPros under their car and record their broken drive shaft before. Let's hope there's no pebbles or anything. I mean, the camera breaks, that's the end of the world, whatever. Okay, it's time to actually drive with the camera. I'm excited because I didn't really think that this was gonna work. I didn't think I'd be able to mount it, to be honest. The problem is the driveway has a little bit of a hump that might hit the camera. Yeah, go forward. Whoop.
At least one of you assholes could have told me that shit wasn't gonna work, but hey, we got the GoPro back on there, and now it's finally time to see this thing in motion.
We're just gonna back down the road here and then go forward. Well, if we lose the camera, we'll see it on the road. All right, here we go.
Pay close attention to how my shaft violently flails around, almost in a helicopter-like fashion. And it's imperative that you see this now, because it's gonna become very important later on.
Feel it? Yeah. Sometimes it's worse than that. And now you're probably thinking, how the hell are you gonna fix the drive shaft? You don't have a lift. Well, guess what? I'm not removing the drive shaft. I'm going to cut out the old center support bearing and replace it with this nifty little part here. And so this guy actually splits in half. So we can just cut out the old one and then shove this one up in there without having to drop the drive shaft. It's genius. So yes, I'm actually going to be cutting my drive shaft in half, and I'll never have to hear that stupid sound again. So now we've got some space under here to get this on there, but we're gonna have to move some things out of the way. What is it? Now we can take care of this heat shield right here. Bruh. Dude, there's shit falling out. This thing's busted. I might need to move the camera up there.
Do not worry, I'm a fully trained professional. There was never even a second of danger involved in this process.
Yes, there it is. We are to the point of equilibrium. I did it for so long, it's raining now.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Now that I've cut the old dry shaft carrier out, it's time to put together the new one. So this goes here, then this goes on the bottom.
I am a fucking architect.
I'm gonna take one of these guys, put it right on top. Take one of these guys, also put it right on top. Take a washer on here. Take another bushing and put it through here. Oh, that's rock solid now. This thing is not moving, and I'm really pressing on it. Now all there's left to do is drive it, see if it fixed it. GoPros are rolling. Already. Like butter. It already feels so much better. We're doing a pool kind of. Completely gone.
Yeah.
Completely gone. Very good. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. We will see you in the next one.
And there I was, all jolly and shit. This had been the easiest job I had ever done in my entire life. Everything went right, nothing went wrong. Until I got on the highway, got up to 60 miles an hour, and realized that I had traded one problem for another.
I'm gonna try not to get pulled over, but I'm gonna show you. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but let's see. Ooh! I haven't really gone faster than that. That was like a little below 70, I think. I don't know. You feel it throughout the whole car. It's like you were dragging something almost. I don't know.
The faster you go, the more it feels like the car is about to self-destruct. Stay tuned for part 2.